Hello everyone, so the first thing I'm doing is chaining the base for the center of the sweater, which is going to be the cable and alpine stitch. In this clip, all I'm doing is half double crochet stitches all the way from the beginning to the end to kind of start off my row for the alpine / cable stitch. Hey everyone, so I didn't record this part, but after I completed the alpine and cable stitch section, I did a chain up a one and cut, and after I attached my yarn to the sides of the alpine and cable stitch section and did a rows of extended half double crochet stitches. So off camera, I did the cable stitch detail from the shoulder portion all the way down here, right here. Then on the side, on this side, I seamed up the side, so there's just an armhole right there. And now off camera, I'm going to do the other side and I'll be back. So I just finished the other side. So now the things that I have left to do is do the bottom border, the neck part, and then the arms. And then after that, I just have to seam, hide these loose ends right here, all over. And I seam the sides from on the wrong side. So if I flip it right side, the seam isn't going to show. I don't know if you can see that. The seam isn't showing. So I'm just going to continue doing this off camera because it is tedious, and it is because this part, the cable stitch, was difficult enough, and I'm just going to do the rest off camera.